Here we have another find the area bounded by the following curves. So we can draw a quick little picture. We know that it's going to be a negative x squared, so that means it's a parabola opening down, but the y-intercept is 16, so that would be positive, so it's going to look something like this. And then we're going from x is equal to -1 to 2, and also y is equal to 0, so that would be this line here. And we could check and see they should both be positive, because that would be 16 minus 1 or 16 minus 4. So yeah, they would both be in the positive region. So it should look like this. We should get a positive answer for our definite integral. So we're going to do the integral from the left hand x bound, which is -1, to the right hand x bound, which is 2, of 16 minus x squared dx. And that's our integral setup. We just have to take the integral from here. And that gives us 16x minus x cubed over 3, evaluated from -1 to 2. So then we plug in the top number first to get 16 times 2 minus 2 cubed over 3 minus, plugging in the bottom number, 16 times -1 minus -1 cubed over 3. So 16 times 2 is 32, minus 2 cubed is 8 over 3. We have a minus. 16 times -1 is -16, but then bringing in the minus makes a plus 16. From here we have a -1 cubed, which makes a -1, but then there's a negative in front, so that makes it positive, but then distributing the negative on the outside makes it back to negative, so minus 1/3. So if we simplify that, we get 32 plus 16 is 48, and then the minus 8/3 and the minus 1/3 goes to minus 9/3, which is minus 3. 48 minus 3 is 45, which confirms that it is a positive answer.